The best hunting apps offer a range of features to enhance the hunting experience. Hunt Stand is a top choice for maps, GPS, and tools, utilizing GPS satellite mapping and data analytics to provide excellent land and personal navigation, as well as suitable hunting tools. Its key features include creating a virtual hunting area, tracking wind speed and direction, and a reporting feature to log daily hunting experiences. This app is ideal for avid hunters who venture into remote wilderness areas and is available in a free version, with the option to upgrade to premium for $4.30 a month to access advanced features. Another notable app is one that offers a collection of over 750 animal calls from 50 species, including coyotes and moose. This app allows users to create a playlist of animal calls, and also features a compass and flashlight to aid navigation. While it's primarily used by deer and duck hunters, it's worth noting that only 75 animal calls are accessible for free, with the rest available through a premium subscription. For hunters looking to plan their trips according to the best hunting times, the Hunting Calendar Solunar app is a great option. This app features a calendar that marks the optimal days for hunting based on the weather forecast, and also includes animal calling sounds to attract potential prey. It showcases the best timeframes for hunting approved species on specific grounds, making it suitable for seasonal hunters who target migratory animals. The app offers a free 3-day trial, followed by a $3.49 monthly subscription to access all premium features. Ultimately, the top hunting app is one that provides comprehensive, real-time information through GPS satellites, along with excellent mapping tools. This app stands out for its ability to deliver accurate and reliable data, making it an essential tool for hunters. With its impressive features and capabilities, it's the most recommended app for hunters looking to enhance their experience.